Let's get started. If you're feeling anxious, despair, angry, or upset, please don't feel this way, at least not for a long time. Look for help, talk to others, family, friends, and find resources online that can help you. Also, reach out to support organizations. There are quite a few. And know that you may just feel a little weak these days, but it's okay. You can build up your strength one day at a time. And you're on here with me, so you're on the right track. Take care of yourself. If you're not well balanced mentally and physically, you will not yield the best results possible. Do not expect to get any quick and easy roadmaps here. You will still learn a lot and improve your mindset and make significant progress if you take heed on what I'm going to share. And the reason there are no shortcuts is because everyone is different and there are many variables. Different talents, interests, job work types, career types, industries, employers, geographic regions, and so much more. So, no college, no degree, no worries. And here's a great quote I want to share. I'll let you read it. If you stay dragging your feet, listening and talking about fear and what you don't have, you will get more of that. If you focus on learning and positive affirmations, you'll be sure to have better days and better results as you move along. This is how you defy the odds. While everyone is looking down, you are looking up and focusing on what you want to create and be. You will yield results from what you feed your mind day in and day out. And I'll wrap up now with transitioning to the same point as it relates to employment. The better you define your career path, next step, or meaningful work, the better off you'll be. Because you have a target, you have what to focus on. Please try this, please do this. More things unfold this way. The work hunting process gets better, your days get better. And let me share an analogy on this final point to crystallize it for you. When you're shooting at something, is it best when you aim or when you don't aim? The answer is simple, when you aim. The same for landing work, good work, great work, meaningful work.